Tongue is another sense organ. Tongue helps us to taste food. To take care of tongue, we should follow some useful tips. We should clean the tongue with a tongue cleaner gently. Do you know that most of the bacteria are not found in the teeth, but on our tongue? The fifth and last sense organ is our skin. Actually, it is the organ of touch and feel. The skin is the most exposed part of the body, so the chances of growing germs on it are comparatively higher. To take care of our skin, we should follow some useful tips such as take bath daily, change your clothes daily, wash any wound thoroughly, and apply medicine immediately on it. Take balanced diet, including a variety of seasonal fruits, to keep your skin healthy and glowing.